You ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm ready, okay. I have to have all this stuff to help me because I don't have a memory anymore. So, and I'll probably ramble on here, I apologize. But I'd like to introduce you to Seybert Odom, my ancestor. Some say Seybert, some say Seybert. He was born in 1760, and as most of you know, the Declaration of Independence was in 1776. So he was 16 years old. He was a farmer in South Carolina, Barnwell District. He spent a whole lot more time behind a plow than he did with a musket in his hand. He was what they classified as a citizen soldier, served under Hardy's regiment of South Carolina militia. They were engaged in several major battles as the war moved south. Because towards the end of the Revolutionary War, they went, like the Battle of Cap Ends and Guilford Courthouse. And just before the surrender of Cornwallis, Cornwallis surrendered, Isaac, I keep on saying Isaac, I don't know if that Isaac on the line. Seybert and his brother Daniel were in a battle, and they both got wounded. And Seybert took a shoulder wound, and I don't recall exactly off the top of my head what Daniel had, but he got a pension. So he was retiree and such, and he got a pension at a rate of $1.78 a month. Later on, he got an annuity of $60, and that was a year, $60 a year. So pay wasn't too good back then for that. Like I said, he had two kids. His son Isaac was, here's his line here, here's Seybert, here's Isaac. And Isaac had a son, Isaac Wilson, and William Allen, and then my daddy, William Jesse. That's my line back to him. And that's about all I have on him, But I have clear, solid, documented proof right back to him, And beyond him, my line is kind of flaky as far as true documentation.